Hey guys, welcome back to HealthyBody. My name is Maria House, and today I'm really excited to help you learn how to make 3 healthy body meals: smoothies, salads, and soups. I love this variation. So, part of the healthy body philosophy is to keep it plant-based, alkaline, sugar-free, extremely easy to make, and of course, delicious. And before we jump into the kitchen and I show you exactly how to make it at home, please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, come along the journey of health, wellness, and energy. Now let's jump into the kitchen and I'm gonna show you how to make some breakfast the healthy body way. As a pre-breakfast starter, we're gonna start with the HealthyBody Ginger Charge. It's incredibly high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, it aids with a healthy digestive system. Next is our breakfast, HealthyBody Chocolate Green Blast. Yum! We're gonna add some cucumber because it's so healthy, some organic frozen spinach, microgreens, some silken organic tofu, cacao powder, avocado, some unsweetened plant milk, and of course, my vanilla flavored stevia, my favorite thing ever. Now, let's put it all into the blender and get this made. So I'm going to add the hardest thing to blend first, the frozen organic spinach. That's because the blades will struggle to blend this otherwise. I will add some microgreens so they don't get tangled in the blender. If you don't have microgreens, I highly recommend broccoli sprouts. They're just a mineral bomb and my favorite thing. Add some avocado for creaminess. You can never have too much potassium and folate. I love it. Some raw cacao powder. I'm in such a chocolate mood these days. It's great. Some silken non-GMO organic tofu. This makes it creamy, gives me protein. You can use any plant-based yogurt you like. Add some unsweetened plant milk, whatever choice. Add some ice if you like it extra cold and a bit thick like I do. And now don't forget to add your sweetener. I love my vanilla stevia. And of course, adding our cucumber last because it's basically water and it helps to start the blending process in the NutriBullet. Blend it. Now let's top it up with the favorite toppings. I love adding sliced banana, some coconut, and chia seeds. There's just so many health benefits and great texture with using these 3, but please, you add whatever you love. Enjoy it and let me know how you go. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make the HealthyBody salad. So I always like to beef my salads up with so many greens. Leafy greens are one of the healthiest things on earth and they're honestly one of my favorite veggies. We're going to add some red chard, some red cabbage, some purple kale. I also love Tuscan kale a lot. I've got some organic shredded carrot, some organic baby spinach. Everything's organic. Everything's organic. Some sun-dried tomatoes. These are air-dried. And my favorite, navy beans. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to combine them all together into my salad and I'm going to add it with a nice smoked paprika tahini dressing. It's so good. Can't wait to show you. Okay, so I'm gonna just shred up this red chard so finely. It's literally one of my favorite greens because I love that meaty texture. Now I'm going to chop up the purple kale. I'm honestly more of a fan of the Tuscan kale, but it wasn't available at Whole Foods, so I've gone with the purple kale. It really makes my salads look extra big, which is why you'll see later in the video I changed to a larger bowl. And chop it up finely so the dressing can cover it nice and evenly. Now we're going to add some baby spinach. Like I said, I love my leafy greens. It adds some fiber, some minerals, some nutrients. It's just so good. I'm adding purple cabbage because of the fiber content. I'm adding some orange carrot and some sun-dried tomato. As you can see, I've really focused on color. Now to make the tahini dressing, you want 2 tablespoons. I weigh it because I am focused on maintaining my weight, so I don't want to go over. I'm adding some garlic powder, some smoked paprika, some sea salt. I use real salt. That's one of my favorite salts. I'm adding a little bit of sweetness and some lemon juice. This has been, I cold press lemon juice once a week through my cold press juicer. Mix it until it combines really well. And now we add everything together. I'm not adding the beans yet because I really want the leafy greens to be covered in this beautiful salad dressing. So instead of thinning it out too much, I'm gonna make sure that it's fully combined. This is a really good way to make salads taste good. Now you add your beans, mix it together, and serve. If my salad wasn't so big today, I would have loved to have had some pumpkin seeds, but it just would have been too much. What do you think of the salad? Let me know in the comments below. Okay guys, so we're now on to our dinner. I'm going to show you how to make one of our favorite soups of all time, and it's a Thai green curry soup. You can use any green veggies you like, and I'm going to show you what we are using today. I've got some yeast-free, sugar-free stock. I'm very fussy on what kind of stock we use because there's a lot of rubbish out there. We've got some fresh ginger because that is how you bring all of that flavor towards Thai cooking. We have Thai green curry paste. That is the beautiful seasoning we're going to use. Raw extra virgin coconut oil. I'm a massive fan of coconut oil flavor. We got some onion, some celery, some zucchini for the greens, some broccoli, organic frozen spinach, and full fat organic coconut cream, a bit of Bragg's, some stevia liquid, garlic powder, and some aqua. That's how easy it is. I'm going to put everything in that pot, cook it for about 10 minutes, blend it in the NutriBullet, serve, and in the meantime, we're gonna toast some organic pumpkin seeds. So they're gonna go into the oven and they're gonna be ready in time for the soup. So first we're gonna heat that pan up and then add some coconut oil to completely cover the pan. Spread it evenly. We're gonna add the green curry paste to really open up the aroma and flavor. Saute some ginger because I thought it'd be a good idea to do it now. Add some onion, some celery, and combine that really well with all the flavoring and allow it to soften for about 2 minutes. Add some real salt or sea salt. Add your greens now, except the frozen spinach. Add your stock, some water, put the lid over it and allow it to simmer and steam within itself for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending how quick your stove is. Defrost your baby spinach first and then add it into your pan. Add some garlic powder, a little bit of stevia. Now we're going to put the lid back on and allow it to steam for a little longer. And then we're going to add our coconut cream, some Bragg's, or you can use tamari, fish sauce, whatever you like. Let it reduce a little bit if you like it a bit thin. And now add it into your NutriBullet to blend completely. This is when I add my lemon juice now. And right before I serve, I always want to taste test. Because sometimes it needs a bit more spice here and there or more lemon juice, but it was perfect. Distribute it evenly between the 2 bowls because it makes 2 serves. And I'll serve with some toasted pumpkin seeds. Adding crunch to your soup is the best. Enjoy and let me know how it goes for you. It's my favorite soup combo. Hey guys, thank you so much for staying all the way to the end and clicking on my video because I really want to help you learn how to make healthy, alkaline tasting meals for yourself the HealthyBody way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel so you can come along the journey with me on health, energy, and happiness. Have an amazing day and I'll see you next time. Bye.